1 can of creamed corn, 1 can of regular corn drained. Then we're gonna grab 8 ounces of sour cream. Put that right in there. Beautiful. Lastly, 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin. We are making a delicious corn bread, but that's not just it. We have something special we're doing with our cornbread that you guys are really gonna like. But this cornbread recipe is literally the easiest and my favorite. Some people call it corn pudding, but I personally call it cornbread because it has a bread-like texture. And if you don't like little chunks of corn in yours, you could just do 2 cans of creamed corn and no can of regular corn. But personally, I think that can of corn just makes everything so delicious and moist. Cornbread mixture is all ready. We're gonna go ahead and move this to the side and pull in our ramekins. All right, and now I have some chili with no beans. You can use whatever chili you like, and we're just gonna do some scoops of chili right into our ramekins. Just like that. Ugh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Do 2 scoops. I think that looks just about right in each ramekin. And so for those people that like beans with their chili, I'm gonna do 3 with beans. But honestly, if you don't like beans, you could do all without beans, or you can do all with beans if you like the beans. But personally, I like both, so I did both in mine. All right, so now that we have all of our chili in our ramekins, I'm gonna go ahead and top this off with some Colby Jack cheese, just a nice sprinkle in each of our ramekins, right on top of that chili, right before we add that yummy cornbread on top. Yet, we're gonna put the cornbread right on top of our chili and let it all cook together. It's gonna be so good and such a great little like dinner, appetizer, snack, whatever you wanna eat it for. Great for game day, perfect for the summer if you just want an easy meal. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and grab our cornbread mixture, grab another scooper, and we're just gonna do a nice scoop right on top, just like this. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Who doesn't love cornbread with chili? I know, I love it. Okay. And it's just nice little individual servings. Just wait until we get one of these out. It's gonna be so nice and buttery and golden. Okay, almost done here. I think this one needs a little bit more. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna save the rest of this batter for something else. Now, before we pop these in the oven, I'm just gonna transfer them to a sheet pan so that they are easily put in and out of the oven. All right, and there you go. My oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for 45 minutes. Look at these. They came out perfect. Okay, let's grab these off of our sheet pan. Let's try one. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, I'm just gonna dig in then. Get a nice, oh, look at that perfect bite. The cornbread is cooked perfectly.